ICC T20 World Cup 2026 Pakistan vs Netherlands First match. Details and both team best playing 11. Starting date 7th February 2026 at 10:30 am Pakistan Standard Time. Venue Colombo Cricket Ground Stadium, Sri Lanka. Team Netherlands best playing 11. Number 1 Max Udaut. Number 2 Judge Lion Kachet. Number 3 Noah Cross. Number 4 Colin Ackerman. Number 5 Scott Edwards. Number 6 Basdi Lead. Number 7 Michael Levitt. Number 8 Shakib Zulfikar. Number 9 Aryan Dot. Number 10 Luhan Benvik. Number 11 Fred Klassen. Team Pakistan's best playing 11. Number 1 Shahibzada Farhan. Number 2 Saem Ayub. Number 3 Babar Azam. Number 4 Usman Khan. Number 5 Salman Ali Agha. Number 6 Muhammad Nawaz. Number 7 Shadab Khan. Number 8 Fahim Ashraf. Number 9 Abrar Ahmed. Number 10 Shahin Shah Afridi. Number 11 Nasim Shah.